go. Adrian, Michael, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Anna burnt her toast. It's taking her so long. There she goes. So Nana just left. It was a good weekend. It was like 2 full days. My parents and sister are at our college right now, going for a run, and then I have a driving hour at 12. It's currently 10:20, so I'm gonna make this run pretty quick, so I have enough time to get ready and shower and everything. And then I'm alone until 7 o'clock tonight, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Make a vlog, I guess. First up on the docket today, I'm going for a run. Done with my run. I'm gonna take a shower, then get ready for my driving hour. Just had my driving hour. It's pretty boring. Got let out a little earlier though, so that was good. Now I think I'm just gonna chill outside for a couple of minutes. Maybe make something for lunch. Tostitos. You can never go wrong with some nachos, even though they're kind of unhealthy. That's okay. You can have some good food every once in a while. Cheese. Just kidding, you really think I put my camera in here and let the microwave go? Got my book, water, and nachos. I can't get out the door though. Uh-oh, my water's spilling. Beautiful day here. Not a cloud in the sky. Got the pool here, Quincy's in the shade. So yesterday, iOS 12 public beta came out, which means now I can update before iOS 12 actually comes out, and there's a lot of cool features. So I think I'm gonna download that right now, and I'll show you how it turns out, because it's actually pretty cool. Okay, iOS 12 is done downloading, finally. It took a while. This is what it looks like when you unlock. The time's a little grayer. And then when you unlock it, it gives a little buzz, which is weird. So there's a whole notification center. If you swipe down, you can see now you have group notifications so they all don't show up at once. So I have Snapchat, I can click on it and see all my Snapchats from all the people. So Katie and Brooke Wheaton, that's her name. Don't even ask why her name's Taylor Wheaton, and that apps open faster now. I don't know. And then you can make group FaceTime calls. FaceTime calls are available now. If you hit plus, you can search for people and you can type in their names and you can enter multiple in FaceTime. In messages, if I want to send a message to myself and I wanted to take a picture, and I can see myself, and I can hit any of these things down here. So we have filters, text, shapes, hands, smileys, hearts. So you can add them in. So if I wanted to do a filter, kind of like Snapchat basically. And it's glitching a little bit, but you can see how it's like weird ones. I don't know. And you can add stickers. So iOS 12 is pretty cool. It's just the beta, meaning it's not the official thing, but it'll come out soon and it'll be wicked cool. Thank you, Apple, for making this available to everybody today. I'll leave a link down below if you want to download this software onto your phone. But make sure you back up your phone because it could mess it up. Whatever though. So as I'm backing up my phone onto this computer, I found an old movie that I made back in, say like November, maybe? Is that a better angle, maybe? I made this for my cousin Andy. It was for her class. We made it together. I want to do a new thing on this channel where I showcase some of my movies that I've made over the years. I've made a couple that I haven't really put on this channel. So I'm going to start that today. Maybe it'll be a weekly thing every Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, but it gets uploaded Wednesdays. It'll be like a weekly thing, maybe. Maybe it won't be. I don't know. We'll see how it is. I want to show you this movie. I'm going to throw it in here because I found it and I'm like, it works well. So enjoy this movie. I'm not going to tell you what it's about. I'm just going to show it to you. You can just react how you want to react. Trying to think of a creative way to get all the podcast pictures on because I'm going to take a selfie with everybody, and I jazz it up a little bit with the Snapchat, like my first podcast, whatever. I think I found out a good way. Instead of putting it on the wall right there, what if I taped it to the table itself and then it's a big collage on the table? I think I'm going to do that. Let's see if it works. Now the table is complete. I only need about 20 more of those to fill it up, hopefully. And then the podcast will really be amplified because all these guests will be on. Okay, thanks for watching today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow for another fresh day of Joe Adams vlogging.